Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Today, I am going to talk about moving house packing tips. How to organize the move. Moving house is often seen as a stressful time with lots of work to do. Moving house packing tips shows you the right preparation. You can make the move less stressful and even enjoyable. Here are some tips to help you organize your move. First, it's important to identify everything that needs to be moved before the big day. Gather all of your belongings in one space, then take stock of how much space you have for storage at your new place. When preparing to move home, there are many things to consider. You should start by paying your bills. If you rent your suite, you will need to contact them and settle the account before the due date so that they can release your deposit. This is also a good time to turn off any utilities that need an active account, such as the gas or electric company. Once this has been done, it is time to pack up all of your belongings in preparation for moving day. Moving boxes. Moving is always a stressful time, and one of the most tedious parts of packing up your home is figuring out how to pack everything into boxes. My favorite type of box is the moving box, as they stack very nicely and allow you to use as many as needed without wasting too much space. You can purchase moving boxes at most stores for a very small cost, but before you make your purchase, make sure to shop around for prices. Packing is hard work, and it never gets easier. To make the process go more smoothly, look for boxes that are sized to fit your needs. For example, there are different sizes of boxes for storing clothing, books, dishes, etc. Don't be afraid to get them custom-made if you need something specific. Ensure that you have enough. Moving boxes can feel like an impossible task. With so many different box sizes, types, and brands on the market, buyers may find it difficult to find the right set of boxes for their needs. Fortunately, with some preparation and effort, buying the perfect set of boxes is achievable. Moving with pets. Moving house with pets can be a stressful process, but it doesn't have to be. House moving packing tips offer some tips for making the move to your new home with your furry companion. 1. Make sure you have enough carriers and collars/leashes to get all of your pets and their belongings to the car. 2. Take advantage of air conditioning in the car and use ice or chilled water bottles to keep your pets cool on the trip over. 3. Bring any necessary medication and documents for your pet with you when you move. You may weigh the animal and put them in a carrier before you bring them to their new home. Moving in the winter. Moving in the winter, especially when it is cold outside, can be both challenging and energizing. Before you start packing anything, prepare the new home for when you arrive. The winter months can make it extra difficult because there are more hazards that one must be aware of during the move. If you are ready to pack up and move to a new house, here are some tips to make your winter move go smoothly without too much hassle. 1. If possible, arrange for a moving company or enlist friends and family members to help you with the load. 2. Pack up warm clothes for yourself and your pets ahead of time, so you can stay energized while packing and unpacking. 3. Be sure to pack up all of your seasonal clothes so they don't get left behind. 4. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing items for a move. 5. Wear gloves. 6. Plan ahead and get all of your boxes and furniture into your new place before the snow sets in. This way you don't have to worry about shoveling your driveway or sidewalks when it snows, and you can transport items indoors easily without worrying about the weather. 7. Consider scheduling your move during November or December to take advantage of better weather conditions. What not to pack when moving house. The day has finally come, and you're about to move into your new home. Packing can be a tedious job, and if you're not careful, it will end up costing you extra money. It might seem like no big deal to just throw everything in the back of the car, but this could lead to things falling out on the way or even being broken. As you are packing your belongings for moving house, it is important to ensure that you are not packing any items which would be difficult to transport or use at your new address. Items such as settees and large appliances should be avoided if possible. What items should you pack last? You know the old saying, pack your best dress shoes first. Well, now you can heed that advice when you're moving house. There are many different items that are important to pack during a move, but it's important to pack the most fragile items last. Pack the most important items last to ensure they remain safe too. So what items should you pack last? You'll want to pack your electronics first because they are always at risk of being damaged in transit. What do you pack last? It is important to pack items that can get damaged or lost easily, such as dishes and glasses. The best way to pack these items is by having a box for each piece. Have one box for plates, another box for bowls, etc. It is also always a good idea to have a few extra boxes of varying sizes on hand in case of any break during packing. 6 useful moving house packing tips. Moving to a new home is a big event and can be a time-consuming and expensive endeavor. It is important to take the time before the move to thoroughly plan out any potential issues that may come up, such as packing your fragile items carefully, securing all of your valuables, or storing any furniture you'll need in advance. To make it more bearable, the following list of packing tips should be used to prepare your belongings for the big move. 1. Use boxes of different sizes to allow you to pack roughly the same amount of stuff into each box. This will help to prevent items from shifting around too much, and will also make unpacking easier. 2. Pack items that are used most often at the top and larger or heavier objects at the bottom. 3. Use packing paper or newspaper to line the bottom of each box. This helps protect the contents from damage due to shifting or rubbing against the box. 4. Wrap all fragile items in bubble wrap, including framed pictures and mirrors. If you are worried about potential breakage, wrap the items in a blanket or towel before wrapping them in bubble wrap. 5. Label all boxes with their contents, including fragile items. This will help you to keep track of your belongings. 6. Clean your new home before unpacking. It is important to clean your new home before you begin unpacking. This will keep your house free of dust, dirt, and other allergens that can irritate allergies or asthma. Conclusion. After months of packing, there is nothing more satisfying than the day you finally move out of your old house. Whether you are moving away or just down the street, there are so many things to do. From buying boxes to moving insurance to prepare for your move. It is a common occurrence for people to move house. In fact, at some point in our life, we will almost certainly be faced with the daunting task of moving from one place of residence to another. Whether it's from a cramped dwelling into a larger home, or from a city to a rural area, or vice versa, there are many things one needs to do before and during the move so as not to incur any additional losses. For many people, moving house is an exciting time. Follow what this article Moving House Packing Tips suggests for your move. It's the opportunity to start fresh and create your ideal lifestyle. For others, it can be stressful and daunting. Moving to a new area presents many challenges, but you can make the experience smoother by taking some time to plan ahead. Like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Click the link below this video if you would like to read the full article and other articles about real estate in BC, Canada.